Beware, the ex-FTX team is setting up a new crypto exchange. Blackrock applies for an Ethereum ETF. Solana could be moving towards the $100 price point, and so much crazy crypto news has happened over the last week. You do not want to miss this. So welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the Alt Crypto Talk team, and in this video we'll go through all the latest news in the last week. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. Well guys, let's jump straight into the video. Now, let's start off with the first article, and that's going to be on the ex-FTX team, which is setting up a new crypto exchange. And I find this absolutely insane how they have the nerve to do so. Now, I know they're not Sam Bankman-Fried, however, they were on the team of Sam Bankman-Fried, so why should we trust them? Let's see what this article has to say. So, several former FTX executives have teamed up to help build a new crypto exchange in Dubai with a specific focus on what FTX failed to do: secure customer funds. Now, ex-FTX lawyer Can Sun is leading their way with Trek Labs, a Dubai-based startup that received a license to offer crypto services in the region in late October. Backpack Exchange is the name under which Trek Labs will offer those services. Sun will receive support from ex-FTX employee Armani Ferranti, who serves as a CEO of Trek's holding company in the British Virgin Islands, according to a November 11th report by the Wall Street Journal. Ferranti also runs Backpack, a crypto wallet which is integrated in Backpack Exchange. San and Ferranti iterated they wanted to use the lessons learned from FTX's failure to protect customer funds. Backpack's technology offers a self-custody solution which integrates a multi-party computation technique to ensure funds remain secure. MPC typically involves several parties approving a transaction before funds are moved. With things heating up, please be aware of phishing attacks on the rise. Backpack will never ask for your keys. The only valid website URLs are in our bio. Assume everything else is a scam. Stay safe. Backpack Exchange is in beta and a wider launch will come later this month, the firm said. In a post-FTX world, you need trust and transparency to create a true alternative to the other players. Sun was a witness at Bankman-Fried's recent fraud trial, where he revealed that the former FTX CEO turned to him seeking a legal justification as to why FTX's funds were at Alameda Research. Bankman-Fried was convicted on all 7 fraud-related charges. Now he's obviously spending 50 years in jail, which is great, and Sun has quit as FTX's general counsel the day after Bankman-Fried told him about the use of customer money. Bankman-Fried's former empire commingled billions of dollars of customer funds through Alameda Research for investment purposes. About $9 billion in customer funds went missing. Now that is an insane amount of money, and let's face the facts, I don't think that anyone's going to be trusting this exchange. I think that we have so many other better exchanges out there to trust, such as ByBit, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com. Those are much other better exchanges. I definitely wouldn't be using anything that is touched or anything that is related to FTX whatsoever. Now that is just my opinion. However, let's see what the future brings. Now let's move on to the next article, which is related, and that is the fact that FTX is suing ByBit for $953 million. But why? Let's find out in this article. So FTX filed a lawsuit on Friday to recoup $953 million from ByBit, another crypto exchange. The suit claims ByBit's investment business Marana got special treatment that allowed it to pull funds prior to FTX's collapse. Payments has contacted ByBit for comment, but has yet received a reply. Marana's trading activity and affiliation with ByBit also afforded it preferential treatment from FTX.com relative to the average FTX.com customer, the suit says. For example, Marana was granted VIP status on the FTX.com exchange, which included concierge support and increased access to FTX group employees. When the collapse began and customers began withdrawing their funds, Marana, the suit says, used its connection to skip the head of the line while others waited hours. Among other things, Marana leveraged its VPI connections to pressure FTX group employees to fulfill its withdrawal requests as soon as assets became available, further reducing the funds available to meet withdrawal requests by FTX.com non-VIP customers. The suit is the latest in a series of examples of the way the shockwaves from the FTX's old collapse continue to reverberate. For example, last week there was a report by Bloomberg News that the Commodity Futures Trading Commissions was drafting a proposal to enhance regulatory defenses and protect client funds following the downfall of Sam Bankman-Fried's exchange. The Bloomberg report noted that the Ledger X and FTX subsidiary was overseen by the CFTC and successfully protected customer funds by separating them from company assets. Kristen Johnson, a member of the CFTC, told Bloomberg that the rules requiring segregation of customer assets should only apply to any companies that use similar direct-to-customer models, no matter the derivatives offered. The aim is to prevent the misuse or loss of customer funds and avoid future crises like the implosion of FTX, which is 100% true. This month began with Bankman-Fried, 31, being convicted of fraud and a conspiracy to the date after an expose revealed the shortfall at his company. It was one of the more high-profile white-collar criminal trials in recent memory, and one of the more satisfying conclusions for many observers and countless victims. So all in all, guys, it looks like we're going to have to wait to see what ByBit has to say. At the moment, FTX is waiting for a response from ByBit. I'm very intrigued now, guys. $1 billion is a lot of money for anyone, so I'm assuming this is going to be big for both FTX and ByBit, but I'm hoping, obviously, that ByBit wins this case. Now, let's move on to the next article. And this is an exciting one because we have a lot of XRP fans in our community, and they are saying that XRP is going to moon. So let's take a look at some price predictions. Now, anticipation is mounting and a countdown is on as Crypto Insight, a respected market analyst, reveals a noteworthy analysis pointing to a soon to happen shift in XRP's path. It's closely tied to Bitcoin's performance, promising an exciting development within the next 3 days. Let's see what that has to say. So, as per Crypto Insight's recent insights, a countdown is underway, marking T4 days until the anticipated XRP blast. This term suggests a substantial upward movement in the value of XRP, with the anticipated surge expected to unfold in the next 3 days. Delving into history, Crypto Insight highlights a significant move that XRP took 22 days ago to catch up with Bitcoin. What's interesting is that XRP consistently trails Bitcoin in terms of price action. But here's the twist. XRP's breakthroughs seem to align more and more with Bitcoin's, suggesting that they might be on the same page. As per the Crypto Insight analysis, examining the XRP Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, the current scenario appears less favorable for XRP, signaling underperformance against Bitcoin. Despite this, Crypto Insight notes a recent rally initiated on October 29th, resulting in a gain of over 30% against Bitcoin. However, challenges ensued for XRP after reaching 73 cents, leading to consecutive intraday losses. While the market buzzes with activity, Crypto Insight observes a somewhat muted sentiment. Interestingly, this muted sentiment is considered a positive indicator for potential expansion. It implies that while the market is active, broader sentiment has yet to catch up, suggesting room for further growth. What does the future hold for XRP? With XRP sitting around 65 cents, showing a 1.81% drop in the last 24 hours, Crypto Insight raised some key questions. Is XRP about to take a breather before shooting up, or is it already set for a major upward move? The next few days, especially in the speculated 3-day time frame, could be crucial for XRP's journey. The countdown is ticking and all eyes are on XRP for what could be an exhilarating blast in the market. Now, that is pretty much a very short article, guys. However, they are saying that XRP could reach 75 cents and beyond in the next 3 days. Who knows, guys? Looking at the chart, it could. I'm not very much of a technical analysis sort of guy. However, anything can happen in this market, guys. It is the world of crypto, and that's what I love about it most. However, let's move on to the next article, guys. And obviously, this is one of the biggest articles out there at the moment, which is BlackRock filing for an Ethereum ETF, which could actually be confirmed. Now, BlackRock wants to create an ETF that holds Ethereum's Ether, a plan that deepens the world's largest asset manager's commitment to cryptocurrencies. Following the news, ETH price surged to its highest levels of the day, near $2,100, up about 3% versus just before the filing came out. It later gave back about half that gain, though it remains up about 9% versus 24 hours earlier. The company's plan was revealed in a filing by the Nasdaq, the US exchange where BlackRock will seek to list the product, which will need regulatory approval, and earlier Thursday it emerged that the corporate entity iShares Ethereum Trust had been registered in the state of Delaware. iShares is the name of BlackRock's ETF division. Now, BlackRock has already made waves in crypto by seeking to list a Bitcoin ETF, the sort of easy to trade product that could dramatically broaden access to crypto to average investors. CEO Larry Fink has become a vocal supporter of crypto, reversing his previous skepticism. According to the filing, US-based crypto exchange Coinbase would be the custodian for the Ether held by the product, while an unnamed third party would hold its cash. Now that is interesting. Now, BlackRock has a market surveillance pact with Coinbase. Such surveillance sharing agreement appeared to be key to getting such ETFs approved by the US SEC, aka the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The filing appeared to try and preempt possible SEC objections to the surveillance sharing aspect, saying BlackRock believes the prices for CME's group's Ether futures, and there are already ETFs that hold those, closely match spot ETH prices. Either CME surveillance can detect spot market fraud that affects both futures ETFs, and spot exchange traded products, or that surveillance cannot do so for either type of product, the filing said. Having approved ETH futures ETFs in parts of the basis of such surveillance, the Commission has clearly determined that CME surveillance can detect spot market fraud that would affect spot ETPs, and the sponsor thus believes that it must also approve spot ETPs on that basis. It looks like the Ethereum ETF is almost confirmed, guys. Whether or not this is true is yet to find out. And the thing is, if this gets denied, then obviously the crypto market will get shaken up. ETH might drop dramatically, but then again, that might give us a good opportunity to buy in again. We all know that Ethereum isn't going anywhere, guys, and the fact that BlackRock is trying to enter into Ethereum is just a huge green bullish flag. And to me, that is a clear sign of investment. Now, obviously, there is no financial advice in any of this content that we make. However, that is just my personal opinion. Now, let's move on to the next article, which is the main article of this video, and that is the Solana price prediction. So, will Solana be hitting $100, $75, or anything in the next few weeks? Let's take a look at this article. So, the market is facing a correction at the end of the week according to CoinStats. Solana's rate has rocketed by more than 40% over the last week, which is absolutely nuts. And on the hourly chart, the rate of sell is located close to the resistance, which means that buyers are more powerful than sellers to a certain extent. If the situation does not change by the end of the day, the growth may continue to $64. Now, on the bigger time frame, the price is located within yesterday's candle, which means that the rate of sell might need time to accumulate energy for a further move. In this regard, consolidation in the range of $55 to $60 is the more likely scenario for the next week. On the weekly chart, the rate of sell is about to close in the bullish zone. At the moment, there are no bearish signals yet. If the bar closes near the $60 zone, the rise may lead to a test of the $70 zone, and that would happen very soon. And at the time of this press, Sol is trading at $59.16. So, guys, it says Solana is up 45.74% in the last 7 days. It really does look like we're only going up, guys. Who knows what could happen? However, it does look like Solana could reach $75 in the next few weeks. Whether or not it will hit $100 by the end of the year is a big question, guys. It all depends on current market conditions. If we are heading into this bull market and it is for real, then honestly, Solana could hit $100 by December 31st so easily, but that is just my opinion. And guys, in total, the total crypto market cap is at $1.41 trillion, which means we're only $590 billion away from a $2 trillion market cap, which is absolutely nuts and what we've been aiming for the whole year. We weren't able to dip below the $1 trillion mark, which is a huge success, and it doesn't look like that's going to happen anytime soon or even ever. Please, anyway, that would be nice if that did. However, the volume is also up, guys. $50 billion in the weekend is absolutely beautiful and is down 6.74%. Once everyone starts to wake up, this will definitely go up. Also, guys, dominance today, we've got Bitcoin at 51.1% and Ethereum at 17.4%, while the altcoins hold the rest of the percentages. Ethereum Gwei is very expensive today, it seems. It's 27, so if you're looking to do any transactions on the Ethereum network, I would highly recommend that you wait until it hits about 15 Gwei or below. Now, you can use Ethereum Layer 2 networks to conduct cheaper transactions. However, if you know that already and you're just waiting for the Ethereum mainnet, then obviously you're going to have to wait. The Fear and Greed Index is also beautiful, guys, sitting at 76, which is greed, almost at the maximum point of greed, around 24 away anyway, obviously. And guys, one more thing before we go anywhere, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. We've got so much crypto content for you guys to watch. We've got so many different playlists, whether it comes to tutorials, crypto exchange reviews, trading strategies, or just looking into different ecosystems, or even airdrops. Our channel has everything that you need to know about crypto, and if it doesn't, all you need to do is let us know in the comment section down below what content that you want made, and we will do that for you guys. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm always active on here, guys. Obviously, make sure to follow Jules, aka Alt Crypto Gems, the absolute legend. And that goes without saying that we recommend following the Alt Crypto Talk team, the ultimate trading community on Twitter and Discord. Now, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. But guys, we also have a promotion running on ByBit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading and earning. ByBit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.